Okay, this is cool and all, but as this industry continues to grow, which hopefully you can see by now that it is growing, and as more players enter the market, we have a bigger question to worry about. Should we even be doing this in the first place? Many people feel instinctively uncomfortable with the idea of merging brains and machines. It challenges our notion of human identity and consciousness. But on the other hand, what does it say about us if we don't use this tool to improve the lives of those suffering from debilitating conditions? When trying to answer questions like this, it can be helpful to break down the potential applications of the brain implants into 4 categories: treatment, prevention, enhancement, and augmentation. Treatment is any medical application that makes the patient's outcomes or quality of life better. Things like helping the blind see. Then there's prevention. This could be things like giving BCIs to people with a genetic predisposition to different neurological conditions. So far, we're within the realm of medical applications. But if we venture into non-medical applications, this is where things get murky. Using BCIs to enhance existing traits or augment humans with entirely new ones is a whole different story. If rich parents gave BCIs to some children to give them a photographic memory, the ability to see more colors, or faster reasoning skills with an actually accurate AI system, does that really seem right? Furthermore, if society was eventually divided between enhanced humans and unenhanced humans, what would that mean? It could open a Pandora's box to an eerily dystopian future. If we look 5 to 10 years in the future, there are also legal questions to consider. If at this stage in the future, brain data becomes easily readable thanks to advanced algorithms, who owns the data generated by your brain? Where should it be stored? And what are the legal acceptable uses for this data? And what happens if these systems are hacked? Imagine the powers that could be given to advertisers and governments. Now, for argument's sake, let's leave aside those with disabilities that need it most. So where do we draw the line for non-medical applications of BCIs? Some will say we should never start toying with it at all. Others might think that a little bit of enhancement is okay. Unfortunately, at this time where we sit at the very beginning of the advancement of this kind of technology, there is no straightforward answer. But one thing is for sure, finding out that answer as the technology progresses will be a wild ride. But I'd love to hear what you guys think.